Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove my AI on Snapchat. So for this, first of all, you have to open the Snapchat application. So this feature used to be only available for the paid Snapchat subscribers, but as it turned out, now you can access this feature even without having any subscription, without paying a dime. So I just had to say this so everyone's on the same page. Anyways, you can find the AI friend to be part of your conversation, so it's like a regular chat. It behaves like a real person. The easiest way to get out of the way is by pinning the chat. A lot of times the annoying thing is that the AI stuff is simply pinned to the top, and that's not something we want to go ahead and hold down on it and then click button that says chat settings. You can now easily unpin the chat. This means that it will no longer stay on the top of the list and it won't bother you that much. But as we are already in the section, here we can do some other different things, and one of the biggest, or like the first option, like this, hide chats. It indicates that this should really remove this feature altogether. After this, you should be able to see this AI conversation with that thing anymore. Still, even if you remove it, I still advise you to disable message notifications. There is the toggle for it. To turn it off, as I said, tap and hold on it, chat settings, and as you can see, the hide chats. It doesn't really do a lot of, because it only applies to the chat bubbles or messages inside the conversation, and this has no effect on the entire thing. It won't make the entire chat disappear. Another way to do it, or something else to try, is basically to going to the settings, tapping on your profile icon and tap on this gear icon. Once you are here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find this clear data section. So as you can see, this option, clear my AI data. So just tap on it and tap on this confirm, and it will clear your AI data. So if you tap on this clear conversation, now you can browse through all your conversation with all the people you know on Snapchat. Next to every chat, there is also the X button. Clicking this will get you this pop-up saying basically that this will clear the conversation from your feed, which is something that we want to do, right? So click on clear and you should be good to go. Now once you come back to the main section or to your chats and conversation, you shouldn't be able to see the chats you clear. So if you remove the AI chat, it should not really appear anymore. So that's a really cool thing. Although Snapchat makes it kind of hard to get there or to achieve this result. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.